How is everyone doing? Today I'm preparing mashed potatoes, some buffalo steaks, and some stir-fried veggies. Here, as you're seeing on the video, I'm cutting the buffalo into some long strips, and I'm going to set it aside, and then I'm going to take my potatoes and score them all around. And the reason I'm doing this is for it to have an easier task when it comes to peeling it off once it's boiled, because I'm going to wash it first with the skin on nicely, make sure the dust is completely off, then add some water and salt in a pressure cooker. And once this is boiled, I'm going to peel off the skin. And for the boiling part, I'm going to boil this for about 30 minutes or so, and these potatoes will be ready for mashing. You run it through the masher, and I'm going to add some butter and warm milk. Then which is going to help smoothen the mashed potatoes, and also season it with black pepper and salt. For the buffalo steaks, I'm going to roast them in a frying pan with some little oil, and after you roast them and they're nicely brown, I'm going to add in some garlic, chopped garlic, and some fresh chili. And I'm also going to add in some soy sauce and vinegar. And after that, after letting it cook in some water for a couple of minutes, for about 20 minutes or so, and I'm going to plate this meal. Kindly do remember to like and subscribe to my platform, and also thank you to everyone who has joined into this family. Thank you for sharing, thank you for the likes. I truly appreciate you.